Okay, you guys, I am so hungry. I forgot to show you guys my serve. I am so hungry. Sorry about that. But this one here, I use what I do. Because this is like a breakfast. All right. And I go ahead and dip it. Ooh. Oh, my goodness. Look at that, you guys. Look at there. Look at there. You guys can get that bite. Oh, my God. Take my bite. Oh, my goodness. That is good. Yeah, I forgot about that, you guys. Damn. Put my hand in my syrup. All right. All right, that's it. Okay. I'm gone this time, I promise. This is how it looked when I took it out of my air fryer. So I just want to show you guys how it look. Okay. And like I said, I have plenty more left over. Okay. So I don't have to cook nothing for breakfast tomorrow on Sunday. Yep. This is on Saturday, August the 30th, 2025. Look good down, don't it? Mm-hmm. I'm going to flip it over. Hold on, let me take a picture. And this is how I look on the back. Wow. So like I said, it looked pretty good. Because at first I didn't think I was it's gonna look worth nothing. But it does. Mm-hmm. All right, I just want to show you guys that when I told you in the video that I was gonna, because I want brown a little bit. So yeah. Alrighty. Hope you guys like it and hope you guys make it my way. Just keep watching this video. You will see how I make it. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, it look okay. But I'm still gonna go ahead and put it in the microwave. But it look okay. That's the back of it. See? And this is the front. So I did it looked pretty good, but I just like mine to be more browner. So they did okay. Alrighty. Well, I have plenty more for tomorrow, you guys. So that will I'll be having tomorrow. Okay. Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my cooking channel. Happy Saturday, you guys. Oh wow, this August month almost seemed like it went by so fast. This is August the 30th, 2025, and I got something new that I got going on for breakfast. This is something that I'm gonna do, and you can use any kind of smoked sauce you guys desire, but I'm just using this brand. I really like that brand. Okay, so again, like I said, you can use any kind of sauce you desire. This is the cheese on. This is the cheese I'm using. See. And watch me when I do my serve, you guys. And this breakfast and stuff is very, you know, it's something that I came up with, and that's the biscuit I'm using. Well, it's a croissant. That's what I'm using. Easy. But just keep watching. You'll see how I prepared this. Okay. And again, Beautiful weather in Colorado. Happy Saturday, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful weather. All right. I'll see you guys when I put everything together. Well, I'll see you guys in the next clip. You guys, so it did say bring about a half an inch of water to the pan. Then you put your salsa in. Okay, I already opened the package. Okay? And when you buy this kind of salsa, you will see the instruction. And so, this is what they talk about. Kind of lay it down. Okay. Okay, so I put all my salsa and they say just cook for about about 7 to 8 minutes, and the recipe should be on the back if you buy this kind of sausage. Yeah, it tell you how many minutes to cook. Show you. See, bring a ½ inch water to a boil, add the leek, and simmer for 6 to 8 minutes until heated through. Turn it once. Easy, easy. I like it. I brought this, so I like this kind of sausage. Yes, I guarantee. So, put my lid on. I already got my timer. Just let it cook. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. It still got 2 more minutes. Let me see how. Ooh. See how that cheese is kind of spreading out. And then it said turn it over for about 1 minute. You know, to let the other side kind of get, brown. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys that. Okay, so the timer went off. Now you see how, and this is what you want. You want all the water evaporate from it, So this is how it's for the look, Let me show you something. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm trying to turn it on for you guys. Hold on. Okay, so this is how it look when I turn it on. Okay? So you always want to cook your sausage first. Okay? That look good. And you can eat this with hot dog as well. You can make it, put it on a hot dog bun. So yeah. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. There's my links, my sausage, and my cheese. Okay. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to do my eggs. These are the kind of eggs I'm using. Okay, you guys, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. I think that's enough. And I add some butter to it. Scramble it. Then I put, only thing I'm seasoning on is just a little salt and black pepper. Okay. I don't want to have it too salty. Okay, I'm just gonna sprinkle some sauce. Salt, I mean. See, I don't want to see that with too much. And black pepper. Ooh, too much. Mix it all together. Now this is scrambled egg, you guys, okay? That's all I'm doing. Okay. This is how it look. Scrambled eggs. See? That's how it look. And I don't like my eggs too hard. So this is fine for me, okay? Okay, you guys, I got everything ready, and I like to forgot my eggs. Yes, indeed. But yeah, everything is ready now. Yep, everything is ready. Okay, guys, I cut my cheese. Okay, I put my eggs. Then I put my sauce in. And you can get a smaller sauce if you want, if you desire. You don't have to, you know, they got either a small one and stuff, but yeah. Now I'm gonna roll it up. Guys, it look kind of messy, but once it bake, it'll get a little better, I think. I just can't never, when you kind of open this counter, right, you want to make sure that you do it real fast, because it, see how it look, it will kind of get some. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spray some of this on the top, you know, to kind of have a good, you know, brown on it. See how I'm doing it? Yeah, like that. Okay, so I'm going to put it in my oven for at 375 for about 8 minutes. Okay. Only thing that's different is the dough. It got to get brown. Okay. All right. Hey guys, so this is how it looked when it came out. Sorry, I have to get more practice about wrapping this and stuff, but anywho, I think I did pretty good. See the cheese, but anyway, this is how it looked, you guys. Yeah, I think this right here is the best one. And I guess this one's okay as well. Yeah, just let it cool, and I'm probably just go ahead and put it in the air fryer, because I like mine a little brown, but it's so hot. You know, I have to cut off this oven. That's one thing about it, when they're doing the summertime, you don't want to cook with your oven on, because it get real hot. But anywho, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up, subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys are already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. Again, I really appreciate it. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Alright, but at least you can see the cheese and egg. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yep. Alrighty. And if you guys want to see how I prepare this probably gonna be my first clip of my breakfast, but continue watching how I cook this. Alrighty, bye bye.